Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite on Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this you'll need to open any browser. Here enter Fortnite. Download the Fortnite from Epic Games website. It's this link right here. Click on download. So we'll be using the Epic Games launcher on our PC. Download it for Windows. Here's Epic installer. Now you can change and choose the designation where the Fortnite will be installed. In this case, let's leave it here. Hit the install when you're ready. We'll need to allow Epic Games Launcher the administrator settings. Right here you need to sign into your Epic Games account, and I'm gonna do it but off the screen. So right after you logged in, you can go for a library. And you should have a Fortnite already in a library, so click on it. Now you can choose this designation where the actual game will be downloaded, adjust some options and hit the install. Accept the user license agreement. But you need to read through that first. It seems it's broken, so let's dismiss it and let's try again. Accept. Click yes. And the game should start download. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.